Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in the PlantIn app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the PlantIn app. And here after it loads, it opens up in the My Plants tab. Then from here we just have to go into more. And then tap on our profile picture. Here we can either take a photo or choose a picture from the library. Whichever we choose, we just tap on the corresponding button and then proceed by either taking a picture of ourselves or choosing a photo from our library and then adding that as our profile picture. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.